Hello to all my subscribers and my new viewers. In today's recipe, we are going to be executing this amazing Mexican street corn bowl. This is a good recipe to use up any leftover corn that you may have. We're going to start off by using a very sharp knife and cut off the corn kernels off the corn. And I'm not cutting the corn all the way down to the stick. I just want the kernels only. I am using a cast iron skillet because I want to give the corn just a little bit of char. And in goes 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. To this I am adding 1 crushed garlic for some flavor. And now I'm going to add the corn in there. Once the corn is fresh, you want to make sure that the corn has a nice bright yellow and you know that it's cooked. And this should take just about 5 minutes on high heat. I'm going to remove the garlic at the end. And this is just about ready. The corn has started to caramelize, but all the corn kernels are cooked. Turn off the stove and allow it to cool. To this I am adding some feta cheese. If you don't have cotija cheese, it's okay to use feta. And now I'm going to add half teaspoon of chili oil. And if you don't have chili oil, you can add Mexican hot sauce, or you can use chilies as you're sauteing the corn. So we're going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. And we're adding 1 heaping tablespoon, that is, of sour cream. I'm sprinkling some fresh cilantro for some extra added flavor, color, and some crunch. Touch of lime salt, tahini, and we're gonna mix this. I love street corn on the cob and street corn off the cob. They are all so amazing. You don't need to add any salt because the feta cheese already have loads of salt. And here you have it, a delicious bowl of Mexican street corn. You can use Mexican street corn on the cob or off the cob. Thank you for joining. See you on another good day for another great recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, and drop a comment in the comment section. Bye for now.